Meadowbrook is a full-service commercial and industrial contracting company. Family-owned and operated for over 20 years, continuing to provide the highest quality and most competitive pricing in the Long Island, metropolitan, and tri-state areas. Just a few of the many services we provide to our loyal customers include commercial asphalt paving, all types of concrete repair and installations, for example, sidewalks, curbs, things of that nature, and customized snow and ice management programs. Seal coating, striping, these are all just a few of the many exterior services we provide. As the leader in commercial and industrial roadway and parking area renovations, Meadowbrook continues to stand by its commitment to obtain 100% satisfaction from all of our valued customers. Simply put, our clear vision of excellence in customer service enables us not only to meet, but exceed our clients' expectations. From board meeting presentations at the beginning of your project, during and at the completion of the work, Meadowbrook's experienced and knowledgeable team will provide a complete and comprehensive program for your next project. Our attention to detailed communications will ensure for a smooth process during the work with minimal interruptions to your tenants and patrons. Most importantly, Meadowbrook will guide you through your next project within the confines of your budget. Let us know what we can do